What are no-fault laws? Have you ever wondered how car insurance works when accidents happen? Understanding no-fault laws can clarify a lot about auto insurance and how claims are processed. So, what exactly are no-fault laws? No-fault laws are designed to simplify the process after an automobile accident. In this system, each driver's insurance company pays for their own medical expenses and certain other losses, no matter who caused the accident. This is different from traditional liability insurance, where the driver at fault is responsible for covering the injured party's expenses. When an accident occurs under no-fault laws, drivers file claims with their own insurance companies. This means they can get help for medical bills, lost wages, funeral costs, and other related expenses more quickly. The coverage is typically provided through a part of the policy known as personal injury protection, commonly referred to as PIP. PIP is beneficial because it ensures that payments for injuries happen faster and reduces the need for legal disputes over who is at fault. This system aims to lower overall insurance costs and streamline the claims process. In the United States, about 12 states have no-fault laws that requiring drivers to carry PIP coverage. Some states allow drivers to opt out of no-fault coverage, which means they can still sue for injuries. Others strictly enforce no-fault rules, limiting legal actions for minor injuries. Generally, the right to sue is restricted unless there is a serious injury or if certain monetary thresholds are exceeded. The benefits covered under no-fault insurance include medical and hospital expenses, lost income due to being unable to work, funeral expenses in case of death, and other reasonable expenses related to the accident. However, the extent of coverage and specific rules can vary from state to state. For instance, in Michigan, no-fault laws requiring lifetime coverage of reasonable medical expenses under PIP. Recent changes allow policyholders to choose their maximum coverage level. In New York, PIP covers medical and rehabilitation costs, 80% of lost wages, limited daily expenses, and a death benefit. From an auto insurance perspective, no-fault laws change how claims are handled. The focus is on prompt compensation through the insured's own policy rather than determining fault first. This can lead to quicker settlements and potentially lower legal costs. However, premium rates may be affected based on the specific regulations and coverage requirements in each state. Understanding no-fault laws is essential for drivers. It helps them know their rights, coverage limits, and the claims process in their state. So, the next time you think about car insurance, remember how no-fault laws can impact your experience after an accident.